Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. Been waiting for this for a little while since I've known about it. This is the Eachine AH-64 Apache, the absolutely most bad looking, meanest helicopter that you could hope to have. And it's in ready to fly form. You get everything that you need in the box, less the AA's for the transmitter. You can order it with 1, 2 or 3 batteries in ready to fly with the transmitter, or bind and fly. And I don't know what to say, it's just looks so good. So the only thing you have to do is to put the machine gun underneath, the rocket launchers on either side, and that's it, you're ready to go. Charge up the batteries with the provided charger. Should say the batteries charger cradle does come with an XT30 connection, so if you do have a hobby charger, then you could charge up those batteries a bit quicker using your normal charger, probably at 2C, but with the stock charger in the box, probably going to take about 45 minutes to an hour to charge up each battery. But anyway, AA's are in here, we've turned it on, looks great with its lights on as well. Let's give it a first fly. Okay, all ready to fly. So one thing that's really important with this, because I've suffered from this before, it's very important that when you put the battery in, that it's pressed in firmly and the clips are engaged. So the clips on either side, push them out so they click in place. If you don't do that, it's not going to be locked in place and the battery could fall out while you're throwing the helicopter around. Anyway, let's get going. Again, the fantastic scale detail on this, down to the suspension on the landing gear. You see how that moves? So it's going to take the odd bump on landing. It's not rigid. Here we go. Wait for the green line to stop flashing. Green light, sorry. That means it's talking to the radio. We're good to go. It does bank quite nicely in faster turns if you use it, which makes for nicer scale turns. Don't get that with all helicopters like this. The other thing, I'm on the low rate on the transmitter in 6G mode, but I can flick it into high rate mode for more pitch control. Still in 6G mode, but you see I've got much more pitch control, but in a confined space I think you'll want to stick on low mode. So back on that. And in this 6G mode, it's obviously not allowing you to roll to inverted, and 3D mode would allow you to do that and throw it around even more. But there's more risk of crashing if you're in that mode. So if you're a novice or a learner pilot like me, you'll want to keep it on the 6G mode. But you've still got to concentrate, I tell you that. Because it is, even in low mode, it is low rate mode, it is still sensitive on the stick. I think inevitably as you get closer to the ground there is a bit of ground effect that comes into play, so it's quite hard to keep it over the spot and get it to come down gently, but I think that's all a matter of practice, so you'll forgive me for that. But otherwise, what a fantastic looking helicopter. I think this is Zhejiang's best yet, and I'd be amazed if they come out with something that supersedes this. It's a lot of fun and a little bit challenging to fly, to make it look like it's flying scale, like the real thing, but that you can't deny the looks make it look the baddest and the meanest helicopter, scale helicopter that you could get. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. We'll be back for more in the near future. See you soon. Take care. Bye.